Hello there. In this video we're going to be demonstrating the communify iPhone client. Communify is Hostcom's hosted unified communication service which brings together high definition VoIP, email, SMS, chat, line presence, file sharing, all together on this Web2 conferencing interface. What we see in front of you here is this is the iPhone client. So I've got an iPhone here, iPhone 4S actually, this one, and the screen is being displayed here on my PC for this video demonstration. We've also got the Communify client in the background here with the email section, instant messaging, file sharing, contacts displayed on the screen here. So in the instant messaging frame we can see the contacts, some of which are online. In this demonstration here we're going to be showing you what happens when the iPhone interacts with some colleagues. So we've got 3 online here and 1 offline. So you'll see next to each of the people here there's a line status, online, offline. When somebody comes online obviously that changes, so let's just quickly do that and bring the fourth colleague on board. This is logging into Communify. There we go. So we've now got 4 people on board, and we're now showing online here as well. You'll notice that was showing offline before. So the first thing to do is let's have a look at the iPhone client. What we've got here is the window which shows from the contacts list, but it also shows line status as well. We'll show you that shortly. We've got a number of choices here for contacts. We can pull all the contacts from the server, from the iPhone rather, but we can also just look at contacts from the server, which will just bring up Communify contacts. Okay, like so. So you can actually see if your colleagues are there or not. Are they on the phone? It's particularly useful actually if you're remote or you're out and about with your iPhone or on a train or something, and you just want to see whether the person that you want to speak to is on the phone or not, or even online. So you can do that through the iPhone. The iPhone will work over Wi-Fi, 4G, 3G. It's high definition voice, and it's got an extremely good codec which is adaptable to the amount of bandwidth that's available. We can also chat, we can make calls, high definition calls, we can look at call history, and we can also share photos, videos, and we can look at rules. Voicemail we can activate, deactivate after 10 seconds, on busy, on failure, rules like this. We can set up forking or find me, follow me as sometimes it's called. So after a number of seconds, fork to a phone number. Divert calls and block calls as well. And we can also file share. So I need to send somebody a. So we've received the file here, which if I click on that, shows me all of the calls. Let's open that with notepad. There we go. Simple document sharing there. So let's go back to the contacts list, and if I get a call between two colleagues, you'll be able to see the line status show up there. So, okay, so on the contact list, you can see my colleagues here, all showing as online, but all showing as not on the phone. So if we make a call, let's make a call between Edward and Chris. We've now got a call connected between the two, and you'll see the line status here changing to on the phone. Okay, so let's just end that call. There we go, back to online again. We can also take a look at group chat as well. So we've got a group chat. Everybody can join group chat, all talk together, and it's the sort of thing that you can leave on all day. Just, you know, if you're working in a team and you're a remote worker, you can leave group chat so everybody's logged into it all the time. You can ask questions and generally just collaborate in a secure way. So let's just take a look at that. Okay, so let's open up the chat window. There it is. Select that. Okay, so we've now got a couple of people in the chat window, so let's just say hello. There we go. Chat between two colleagues, one on their PC and obviously the iPhone here. So, you know, pretty straightforward there. On the iPhone I can see a list of previous calls. So if I decide to ring Chris, I can do that. It's now ringing me. Hello, hello, hello. There we go. We can also do conferencing as well, a very useful feature. So let's set up a conference. And let's add me.
Joining the conference.
There I am. Let's add somebody else. Okay, I'm going to accept that.
You are invited to a conference. To join the conference, press 1. Please introduce yourself after the tone. Finish by pressing pound.
So that's me joined the conference there, and I'm on my iPhone here in conference with Chris here. So pretty easy to set up there. I'm going to shut that down because the feedback's pretty bad here. Okay, so that's pretty much all I wanted to cover on the communify iPhone client. As you'll see, it's quite a useful tool and gives you pretty much all the features you'd expect on your Office phone, like presence, line status, file sharing, conference, chat, and high definition VoIP calls. And that's the end of the demonstration. Thank you very much.